Namaste.
Namaste. If you guys are ready, so let's begin today's class. Can you hear me? Okay. Let's sit up straight on the mat. Hands on your knees. We will begin with 3 Om together. Take a deep breath in. Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Bend your head forward. Now open your eyes while blinking. Namaste Radhe. So it's Saturday today. So who would like to instruct, lead the class? Okay, so Devjaniji, would you like to instruct in salutation? Yes, everyone, please stand up straight. She is going to instruct and follow her instruction. पहले अनम्यूट कर दीजिए, आपने अनम्यूट किया, आपने अनम्यूट नहीं करा, it's mute on your video.
Sorry.
Just unmute yourself.
Yes.
Can we start?
Stand straight. Keep your back, neck straight, aligned, nice and tall. And we'll go for sun salutation A. Inhale, raise your hands up, stretch your arms, fix your gaze at point thumb. Exhale, bend forward from your hip joint. Inhale, look halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, jump back or go back, step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, roll forward to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Keep your shoulder rolls back. Exhale, downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 breaths. Keep your shoulder out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and jump back to half a lick. Exhale, bend fully forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, raise your hands up over the head. Exhale, Samasthiti. We'll go for one more round. Inhale, Raise your hands up. Look at the thumb. Exhale. Bend forward fully. Uttanasana. Inhale. Half a look. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale. Jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Then inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sorry. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Now stay there for 5 breaths. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, and stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, and then jump back to half a look up. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, bend fully forward. Uttanasana. Inhale, raise your hands up. Look at your thumb. Straight your arms. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti. So we'll go for 5 rounds.
Yes.
So next, again, inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend fully forward. Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift up. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And exhale, downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay there for 5 minutes. 5 Ujjayi breath. Paddle your legs. Nicely stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, jump back to half a look up. Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale. Exhale, bend fully forward. Uttanasana. Inhale, raise your hands up. Stretch your arms. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti. Now sun salutation A, 4th round. Inhale, raise your hands up. Look at your palm. Stretch your arms. Exhale, completely bend forward to Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift up. Look straight. Keep your spine straight. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now stay there for 5 Ujjayi breath and paddle your legs. Nicely stretch your legs. Stretch your spine. Roll back your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and jump back to Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale. And then exhale, fully bend forward. Inhale, raise your hands up. Look at your palm. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti. Now last one of sun salutation A. Again, inhale, raise your hands up, look at your palm, stretch your arms. Exhale, bend fully forward, Uttanasana from your hip joint. Try to touch your chest to thigh. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there for 5 Ujjayi breath. Reach your tailbone high. If you want, you can bend your knees and reach your tailbone high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and jump back to Ardha Uttanasana. Look up. Inhale. Exhale. Fully bend forward. Uttanasana. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Look at your palm. Exhale. Come back to Samasthiti.
Very nice. So let's do sun salutation B. Would you like to try?
So, can I mute me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Yes, Sujit, sun salutation B.
Oh, I need to. Okay. Okay. Inhale and raise your hands up for chair pose. Bend your knees 90 degrees. Your knees should not go away from your toes. Now exhale and completely go down to Uttanasana. Now inhale, halfway lift up. Exhale, completely go down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right leg between both your hands. Take your hands up in here for warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your right leg back, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right leg between both the hands. Raise your hands up for warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your left leg back, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 breaths. Keep your tailbone high. 5, 4, 3, 1. Now bend your knees, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, completely go down. Inhale, take your hands up for chair pose. Exhale, to Samasthiti. Now again, raise your hands up for chair pose. Exhale, completely go down to Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your right leg between both the hands. Raise your hands up for warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your right leg back, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your left leg between both the hands. Raise your hands up for warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your left leg back, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend your knee down front for halfway look up. Exhale, hands completely down. Inhale, go to chair pose. Exhale, Uttanasthiti. I'll do third round. Again, raise your hands up for chair pose. Exhale, completely go down. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right leg between both the hands. Take your hands up for warrior pose. Keep your back leg straight, front leg at 90 degrees. Now exhale, take your hands on close. Take your right leg back, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time take your left leg between both the hands. And take your hands up for warrior pose. Keep your back leg straight. Now exhale, hands on floor. Take your left leg back, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 breaths. Keep your tailbone high. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend your knees, just stretch. Halfway look up. Exhale, completely hands on floor. Uttanasana. Inhale and go to chair pose. Raise your hands up. Bend your knees. Now exhale, slowly and go to Uttanasana. Now we'll do 4th round. Again, raise your hands up for chair pose. Exhale, completely hands on floor. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, forward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your right leg between both the hands and raise your hands up for warrior pose. Keep your back leg straight, front leg at 90 degrees. Both the hands will be raised up. Now exhale and bring your hands on floor. Take your right leg back. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your left leg between both the hands. Take your hands up, a warrior pose. Now exhale, hands on floor. Take your left leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 breaths. Keep your tailbone high. Maintain a good posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees, lengthen for halfway look up. Exhale, hands on floor for Uttanasana. Now, inhale, go to prayer pose. Exhale, go to Samasthiti. I'll do 5th round of 10 salutation. Again, raise your hands up for prayer pose. Exhale, completely bend down for Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right leg between both the hands. Raise your hands up for warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your right leg back. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time take your left leg between both the hands. Raise your hands up for warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your left leg back. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 breaths. Keep your tailbone high. Rotate your both the hands outward. Try to go deeper into the posture. 5, 4. You can bend your knee to take your tailbone even higher. 3, 2, and 1. Now bend your knees gently for halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale, chair pose. Raise your hands up. Repeat chair pose. Exhale and slowly Samasthiti.
Also good. So, Devjanji, how long have you been practicing?
I'm not getting voice.
Yes, I'm asking Devjanji, how long have you been practicing? Because you have got a lot of strength to hold into Chaturanga Dandasana. So really we find the movement to do Chaturanga Dandasana, they usually get down and then into like knee stretching on the floor. How long have you been practicing?
I couldn't get it completely. Are you asking how long?
Yes, I'm asking her, Devjanji, like how long have you been practicing? Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. How long have you been practicing? Because
In
you have got a lot of strength.
sir, actually, truly speaking, I didn't learn and from anywhere. I usually follow YouTube channels, and from there only I learned. But really, I didn't have any technical or alignment idea regarding the Chaturanga Dandasana. For the from the YouTube channels only. Few channels, not few, only 1 or 2 channels were there, and I usually follow since last more than 1 and 2 years. So I actually still I'm trying to go too deep into the posture, but only after joining this course, I actually get the complete idea about the Chaturanga Dandasana.
But it's very nice to see that the women, they usually do not do this Chaturanga Danasana. They usually fall over, like knees down, chest down, chin down.
Oh,
So
thank you, sir.
if you
Thank you
have
so much.
enough, like if you have
Actually,
enough,
I'm really thankful
yes,
to this lesson only. Once I joined here, I learned a lot, and within few days, I improved a lot. Uh,
thank you so much.
and
So what
during
I'm
this
saying is,
practice session, during this practice session actually helped me a lot.
thank you. So what I say, like if you have enough strength, so you need to just utilize it into like inversion posture.
Okay.
Like Sujiji has also got enough strength. So you both guys are like you both are guys very nice to hold the posture, and you both do very nice. Like all the time, whenever I see like sun celebration or any posture that you dedicate to do. So let's do inversion because we have got only two people to go.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Thank you, Rahul.
it's going to be helpful for you for the inversion. So today we will do tripod headstand. Okay, so if you may know this crow pose from the crow pose variation to tripod headstand, you just need to come up here into the yogi squat. Just come up here into the yogi squat, or just look at me here once so that you can understand what we are going to do. So just come up here into the yogi squats, drop your hands on the floor, and then swing forward for the crow pose. All right. After this, drop your crown of the head down on the floor. Just go slow and reach your legs up. Just go as slow as possible. In inversions, we need to bring all the awareness in our feet whenever they are up in the air. Just be engaged. So let's do this one. Just drop your head. Just go slow. Yes, very nice. And then reach your legs slowly and gently up. Yes, Devjaliji, you can do it. You know, one more thing, if you can hold into Chaturanga, you can hold into any posture in your way. Even you can do handstand too. So that is very easy.
I know,
You
sir,
just
but
need
I'm very much scared. I think I will
just
fall and I get injured my neck. And after
Actually, I've
that, my
also
practice session will be lost. I'll be lost my practice session. So,
uh, yes, you can take the support of the wall. Like if you have got wall nearby, so you can go to the wall and then try that one.
okay.
So in the inversions, you just need to find the center of the gravity. Otherwise, you both have enough strength. You can easily hold into the posture. Right? Even in the handstand too, you just need to find the center of the gravity and center of your body. Then it will be quite easy. You just need to keep on practicing on that one particular thing, like hold into the crow pose, then try to swing forward and then move back, swing forward and move back. Then it is going to improve. So the same way I also learned in the beginning of my learning that the inversion, it was very hard to find the balance, but I kept on practicing against the wall. Like then after, without the wall, try and then it start to fall over. Like you do not fall all the way back on your spine, just fall over on your feet. Then it will be helping you to like without the wall find the balance. Okay, so
I
let's do
just started practicing
it.
Shirshasana because
Mhm.
1 or 2 days I think you have taken the classes regarding the Shirshasana. So I watched those videos and I started practicing.
Mhm.
Shirshasana I can do with wall support, but I
Mhm.
didn't try these tripod headstand.
Okay, so if you know already Sirsasana, we will just make it like we'll make inversion in there. So let's suppose here you are in the Sirsasana. Let's suppose here you are. So what you
Yes.
need to do is press your hands and then lift your head up. Let's suppose you are here. press your hands, and then lift your head up.
Okay.
So here you need to find the wall. Without wall, do not try this because if it is your first time to perform this posture, then it will be hard. Even this for me, if I'm performing a new posture, then it will be hard for me too. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
go to the wall and then try.
Okay. Just a few minutes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, so Gigi, till then we try. So as you are here in the headstand, just flatten your palms on the floor and then press your palms and lift your head up. Press your palms and lift your head up. Yes, yes, and find the balance. See, so that's how you're going to find the balance. Press, elevate your shoulders, reach up, press your palms, press your fingertips. Very nice. Lift your head up. Yes. So that's how you need to roll over your spine. So
Yes.
that's good.
Actually,
Mhm.
I never tried placing my palm and raising my head up. So it is little bit
Just
getting
try to look
imbalanced.
forward. Just try to look forward
Okay.
and elevate your shoulders. So the movement
Mhm.
of the shoulders should be like this. Yes. Just elevate your shoulders, press your forearms, elevate your shoulders, reach up, reach up, reach up, reach up. Yes. Press and then look front, look front. Yes, that's how you will have to go for. So
I
जो
think I
सोफा
need
है
to
उसके उसके बगल में ट्राई करो, सोफे के बगल में. Yes.
take it down.
नहीं, वहां पे वॉल है ना, वॉल में अपने फीट रखना है आपको, ठीक है. नेट
ऐसा
को
बोल
अच्छे
दो।
से प्लेस करो. हाँ. देव जानी जी, मेक श्योर यू डू नॉट हिट योर लेग अगेंस्ट दैट टेबल. ठीक है, हल्का आराम से करना है. So just keep squeezing your forearms in, then it will be easy. Just keep pressing your hands and be engaged with your legs. Be engaged with the shoulders too. धीरे धीरे, बहुत बढ़िया. Just elevate your shoulders. Just keep elevating your shoulders. Reach up. Press your forearms. Very nice. And try to lift your one leg and then upward. हाँ, ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, बहुत बढ़िया. Just like this. Yes, and stay there for a while. One. Just try to bring that awareness on your hips. Squeeze your hips in into the posterior pelvic region. Two. Keep your one leg straight against the floor, other leg touched on the floor. Three. One leg को straight रखो, दूसरे leg को एकदम lean रखो on the leg on the floor. Three. Very nice. Find the balance. Make a toes pointed, eyes open. Four. Spine में कोई arch नहीं आना चाहिए. Try to make that straight. Three. Abdomen में pull in करना है. Four. Five. Good job. Six. And now lift your other leg and then drop your other leg against the floor, against the wall. And then hold. One. Keep your one leg high, other leg bent. Two. Three. Four. And five. Now release back. Release back slowly, gently on the floor. And then rest in tank pose for a while. So if you want to learn inversions, make sure your partner should be your wall. Okay, so make your wall your partner so that it is going to be easy. So now we will try tripod headstand. So in this tripod headstand, make sure your arms are rotated outward. If your palms are turning in, your elbows will move out. All right. So this is called the rule of your thumb. Whenever you're bending your elbows, you will get close to the floor. Whenever you're extending your elbows, you will get away from the floor. All right. So that's why we are rotating our arms forward. If we're bending our elbow, we will not get that much down. So if you're bending your elbows like this, you are like from the beginning you are down. Okay. So make sure your hands are rotated outward, pressing your fingertips on the floor, just like this. Pressing your fingertips on the floor, and then drop your head like 1 feet forward. Drop your head 1 feet forward from your palms. Drop your head here, so that it will make a nice triangle. All right. So if my hands are here, do not drop your head in between your hands. Make sure your head is a bit forward from your hands, but in the center. Just drop your head here. So, yes. Let's suppose I'm going to the wall. So as I'm here, drop your head on the floor and reach your hips up. Make sure you are on the tip of the toes. Walk your legs forward until unless your hips gets above your head. Do not lift your legs up. All right. So let's as my hips are here on my over my head. Now bend your one leg at the knee, or you can extend, and then reach your other leg high. All right. So just hold here. Otherwise, keep your one leg against the wall, and then hold. Then bend your one leg. Make sure lean your hips on the wall. So it will not improve your balance. Feet should be on the floor. Other leg should be straight. One leg bent. Other leg straight. One leg bent. Other leg straight. And then keep your both legs straight. All right. So that's how we will do in the tripod headstand. Then after resting child pose. If you do not have any cervical pain and all, if you have cervical pain, so do you have cervical pain, Devjanaji? Do you have cervical pain, neck pain? No, that's fine. No. Try. Walk your legs forward, keep walking, and then keep squeezing your elbows. Keep squeezing your elbows, very nice. Pressing your hands, now reach your one leg up. Now press your head, reach your one leg up, and then automatically other leg will get lifted. Very nice. Keep pressing. The most of the body weight will get shifted over your head. So just press your hands, press your hands, elbows squeeze, inward, rotate your hands inward. अपने elbows को पास लाओ एक दूसरे के, and then hold. One, हाँ ऐसे. Keep pressing your wrist on the floor. Two, elevate करो neck को, elevate your shoulders high. 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly, gently reach down. तो ऐसे ही आपको मूव करना है अपने हेड को. Slowly, gently get back, and then relax into the child pose. So you may have felt that a lot of pressure on your head, top of your head in the tripod headstand, because 60-70% body weight is on your head. But in the headstand, we are taking the support of our forearm. That's why that is distributed all the way around. Okay. So now in this tripod headstand, we will try to go from the crow pose. Here you are in the crow pose. Press your hands on the floor. Make sure your elbows are bent like this. Okay. So press your hands. Lean forward and look front. The more you look front, the better balance it will be right here. Yes, keep looking forward, lift your one leg and then other leg. Just go slow and press your fingertips on the floor. Keep pressing your fingertips. Just go slow, and then hold. Very nice. So in this propose, we have two type of propose. So this is called propose when your inner thigh are on your elbows. So this is a propose. It's very easy. Everyone can do this. But you both are doing this advanced one. This is propose actually. So your elbows, your knees would be right above your triceps. ठीक है तो बहुत अच्छा ही है अगर आप यहाँ पे बना रहे हो बैलेंस दैट्स वेरी नाइस प्रेस योर हैंड्स यू आर पुटिंग योर knees on your elbows or on your triceps. If you do this perfectly, then you can easily find the balance onto the one leg propose. Okay, so just keep on trying into this propose, then it will improve your balance, and you can also make a transition in between postures. Keep pressing your fingertips, look front, fix your gaze. Keep pressing, very nice. Yes, Devjani, try to lift your left leg up first because your right leg can easily lift it, but other leg is not getting lifted. So try to lift your one leg, yes. And then go slow, go as slow as possible. Press your fingertips. Keep pressing, very nice. So just like this, you need to try. Yes, Sujit. So this is very hard, whichever you are doing now. So this is very hard to find the balance on your triceps or on your elbows. Okay, so people usually in the beginning go for this one. ठीक है लोग ऐसे करते हैं usually in the beginning. ठीक है so this is your propose, but you are doing this one, so this is very nice. So इसके बाद हम इस propose से we will fall over into the tripod headstand. Just come up here and slowly, gently. So from here, just do not lift your legs all the way up. Just lift your legs 1 inch or 2 inch of the floor and try to lower your head down, go as slow as possible, and then reach up. Okay, just try this transition from the propose. And keep pressing your fingertips. Go slow, just go slow. Very nice. And keep elevating your shoulders. Keep pressing your palms. धीरे धीरे बहुत बढ़िया. Find the balance one by one. Very nice. In the beginning, your hand will move, your hands will shake, but later on, it is going to like your once you start to build your muscle memory, then it is going to be easy to find the stability in your shoulder socket. Okay, so in the beginning ऐसा हो रहा होगा आपका देखो जैसा आप प्रोपोज में आओगे आपके shoulders ऐसे move करेंगे, but once you keep on practicing, once you are in the practice, so then it will be easy to find the stability in your shoulders because you have got this muscle memory in your hands. Okay, the more you practice, the better muscle memory you will have in your arms. ठीक है तो इसके बाद एक और पोस्चर है, maybe you both guys can do. So this is called Kondinasana. So in this Kondinasana, what we will do, as you are here in the downward facing dog, you will bring your right knee on your right elbow, like this. Make sure both elbows are bent. So it's more like a Chaturanga Dandasana. But in this, your right knee would be on your right elbow, and try to lower your head down and lift your other leg high. ठीक है? तो ये ट्राई करो आप from the plank or downward facing dog. Take your one leg high up in the air. Take your right leg all the way back. And then exhale. Bring your right knee on your right elbow. Bring your right knee on your right elbow. Very nice. And then bend, look front, keep looking front. And then try to lift your other leg high. Just try to lift high, and then hold. Just go slow. 1, 2, and 3. Now again come back. तो इसकी एक और ट्रिक है. We do have another trick for this. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? Keep your right hand as it is, but left hand, turn your left hand all the way outward. So the moment when you bend your elbow will get stuck on your abdomen. ठीक है. तो जैसे आप यहाँ पे डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग दो, राइट लेग को आगे लाए, bring your right knee on your right elbow, and then lift your head up like this. ठीक है. Just let's try this one. Turn your other arm outward, bend that elbow and adjust that elbow on the side of the rib cages. Very nice. आगे देखने की कोशिश करो. Look front. Yes. Press your hands. Good job. 1. Very nice there, January. 2. Keep looking forward. Good job.
This way it is easier a little bit.
Huh?
When we are rotating
Yes.
our left hand outward, it is a bit easier to hold in position.
Yes. But yes, when we are rotating our left hand outward, then we are directly getting stuck right here, and we are finding like good support from the floor or from your other elbow. But when your hands are like this, you do not have support. That's why we cannot find the balance. But धीरे gradually you will have that stability on your left hand, and you can release your hand away from the abdomen.
Thank you so much, sir, for this teaching us. I tried many a times, but I have failed.
Mhm.
Yes, there is a trick to twisting the wrist, left wrist,
Yes.
and it
Just
becomes
that
very
left wrist.
easy. Yes,
Mhm.
it becomes very easy. First time
Okay.
I couldn't lift the left, but the second
Mhm.
time when I twisted my wrist, that time
Mhm.
I was able to
Yeah.
lift my leg.
Yeah, I saw that. Happy
What
for
is the
you.
name of this?
This is called Kondnyasana. Koun, Kondnyasana. Koundya.
Kondia. Okay.
हाँ, Kondnya.
Yeah.
कॉर्नियासन. ठीक है. तो इसमें आपकी और वेरिएशन भी, जैसे कॉर्नियासन भी होता है आपका. तो इसमें क्या करना है आपको? जस्ट सिट अप लाइक दिस ऑन योर टोज, and then please come up just like this, and then twist your spine and hook your right elbow onto the left knee. All right, and then place your both hands on the floor. Yes. So after this, what you have to do, lift your left leg, like bottom leg. Make sure your bottom leg is up off the floor. Lift your bottom leg, like left leg. Yes. Just keep bending and lift your left leg. And then again, adjust your left elbow on your rib cages. Yes, basically just try to keep your left leg on your right elbow. Try to sting that elbow.
Then we need to raise. Then we need to raise our other leg as well.
Yes.
My God.
As you're here, so the complete posture is when you're leaning forward, you're lifting your left leg and then other leg high. You can take your leg other leg high. Okay,
This is very
just
hard,
go for
sir.
this. नहीं हो जाएगा, ट्राई करो इसको, ये भी हो जाएगा आपसे. Just try to lean forward, and you can again rotate your other arm outward. Rotate your other arm outward. Yes, and then lean forward. Look front. Look front. Look front. Look front. Right. Look front. Very nice. And lift your left leg first. Lift your left leg first. अच्छे से ट्विस्ट करो उसको, अच्छे से ट्विस्ट करो, हुक करो उस एल्बो को. Just hook that elbow. And then lean forward. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. लिफ्ट. दूसरी साइड ट्राई करो. Maybe that is even more flexible than other one. दूसरी जगह ट्राई करो, दूसरी साइड. दूसरी साइड ट्राई करो, राइट साइड. Yes, Jane. Are you trying?
हो रहा है बट can't say more. I
हाँ,
think
होगा
practice
अच्छे से.
for few seconds. See, but
Yeah, I cannot hear you, Jane. It's mute. It's mute. Yes.
Oh, hello. Sorry. No, I feel that I can't probably do this without some practice. So I'll have to practice this by myself. I can do the crow, okay, but this seems a bit challenging to just try and do quickly now. I'll have to experiment and try by myself for a while.
Okay. Yeah, no worry. आपकी अभी लेफ्ट एल्बो और ऊपर, आपकी लेफ्ट नी अभी और ऊपर आएगी आपकी राइट एल्बो, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे जितनी अच्छी ट्विस्टिंग होगी, the more you twist, the better holding you will have into this posture. अच्छे से ट्विस्ट करो, जितना ट्विस्ट हो सकता है. Keep twisting out and then bend forward and keep that elbow bent. Look front, and then press. Otherwise, you can try that what do you call that? Falling angel pose. ठीक है, तो आपने डांस में भी देखा होगा. You may have seen this pose in the dance. So you can hook your elbow, sting your right elbow on your left knee, press your hand, and then drop your head down. Alright, and then raise your right leg up. ठीक है, तो ये ट्राई कर सकते हैं आप अपने हेड का सपोर्ट लेके. So that is going to be easy than this one. Twist. अच्छे से twist करो and adjust your elbow underneath your left knee. And then lean forward and drop your head down. Drop your head. Very nice. Drop your head and take your right leg up high. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हुकिंग की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, वहाँ पे आपको अच्छे से हुक करना है. Yes, Jane, try crow pose. You try
Okay.
crow pose till then.
हो रहा है.
हो रहा है बट स्लिप हो जा रहा है जल्दी.
हाँ, स्लिप स्टार्टिंग में स्लिप होगा, बट यहाँ पे आपको जितना ट्विस्टिंग अच्छी होगी उतना अच्छा होगा. ठीक है, तो कीप ट्विस्टिंग योर स्पाइन एंड देन हुक योर एल्बो.
ये भी कॉर्डिंग का ही वेरिएशन.
हाँ, ये भी आपकी उसी की वेरिएशन, आपकी कौंडिन्यासन की वेरिएशन है. जैसे कौंडिन्यासन ए, कौंडिन्यासन बी है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द सेम वेरिएशन ऑफ योर कौंडिन्यासन. ऑलराइट.
सर चक्र विन्यासा का कुछ टिप्स बताएंगे? अलाइनमेंट.
चक्र विन्यास जिसमें रोल करते पीछे की तरफ.
यस सर, यस वही.
ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या करना आपको, just when you are rolling back on your spine like this, मेक श्योर वन हैंड इज स्ट्रेट। ठीक है, तो डायरेक्टली ऐसे नहीं जाना है, ऐसे में काफी हार्ड हो जाएगा। आपको एक आर्म पीछे करना है ऐसे,
अच्छा
प्रेस योर हैंड एंड देन मूव बैक टू चतुरंग का। तो स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे रोल करने की कोशिश करो, तब बाद में आप एकदम स्ट्रेट रोल करना। ठीक है, तो इन द बिगिनिंग go with one arm extended, then roll back, and then after you can roll like this. You can keep your hands here and then jump back. ठीक है, तो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा हार्ड होगा, but try to go with the one arm extended. चलो ये ट्राई करो। Let's come up. Take your one hand back. Just roll the one arm back, all the way back. Just one arm back only. हाँ, एक हाथ से पुश करो और दूसरे हाथ से प्रेस करो। Move back, and turn your head from the left side.
नहीं हो रहा है।
आओ एक बार वापस आओ, कम बैक। तो दूसरा आप क्या ट्राई कर सकते हो, when you are extending your one arm side to the side, press your hand and then lift your head from here. ठीक है, राइट साइड से लिफ्ट करने की कोशिश करो, लेफ्ट साइड से लिफ्ट करने की कोशिश करो, बट टर्न योर हेड लाइक दिस। अपना आर्म से पूरा एक्सटेंड करो। हाँ, एक्सटेंड योर आर्म एंड टर्न योर हेड। हाँ, मतलब ऐसे ही जाना है आपको धीरे-धीरे।
साइड में चला जा रहा
हाँ,
है।
Right. Yes.
साइड से जाना अभी बेटर है, क्योंकि अगर आप सीधे जाओगे तो आप मतलब काफी हार्ड हो जाएगा और वो इंजरी भी
Normally-
करता है कभी-कभी।
एक बार ट्राई किया तो थोड़ा रिस्क पे लोड आ रहा है।
So पहले हमें साइड से ही जाना है, राइट?
हाँ, साइड से ही जाना है आपको।
ओके।
Okay, so this was all for today's session. Okay. Okay, so let's finish today's session with one Om followed by Chi Shanti. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Shanti. Shanti. Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Bend your head forward and then open your eyes while blinking. Namaste to everyone. Maybe in the evening I will not take that session because I have to go somewhere. All right.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay, so Gigi.
Okay, thank you for
Okay, so enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste to all.
Bye.
Thank you.